Hi team. In Cryotos, we are planning to integrate with generative AI and come up with a better solutions for end user. One of the use case, it's like even though we provide 60 different charts or 100 plus dashboards, even though we help them to create their own dashboards using BI tool like Metabase, Power BI, or Tableau, or even data studios, still people has their own records, their own use case. Okay, and they want to see the dashboard instantaneously. They don't even have patience to wait till the data gets generated in Tableau or Power BI. Okay, that's the main reason we come up with a approach to create some kind of prompt which would be really helpful for user to ask questions based on the data that they have in their maintenance activities and come up with a chart or table based details instantaneously. They don't have patience to wait. Okay, we understand how important those data would be for the end user. That's the reason we provide this option. This is in beta. So when you landed into dashboard page, you could see Kratos AI icon. So when you click here, it will take you to Kratos AI assistant page. Here you could ask any questions based on the data that you have. Okay, like top five total work records raised against assets. Okay, if you don't want top five, top 10 total work order raised against asset. Now it shows top 10. Okay, instantaneously they get the details. So that's a way we thought this would be really an helpful feature for our end user. Thank you.